definitely Jordan. I can tell by the walk, and I think it's Jack.
By the walk.
Yeah, the arms swinging. I love how you can tell by the walk. It's probably bloody hot, isn't it? They're going to come up here and freeze because they've been so hot there.
Jack will be like, oh, I'm sweating.
I was going to say they think you're by the van, don't they? But they've obviously... Oh, okay. You're so efficient.
Come back.
Will it? Yeah.
Just in time to lose it.
I will talk at me. He's sat next to me on the sofa and I'll be like, Mum, hello? Did you say something? And I'll be like, just talk really quietly.
That's got nothing to do with... No, that's just a man. That's it.
Oh yeah. I was going for a piss and he threw blues at me.
Jordan. He's like, I don't want any more bloody grandchildren.
They were like behind the road, no, in front of the road. No, behind the road. Where do you want to set these rookies? We were the only ones down there doing it. There was we weren't allowed to go
Eventually. Behind the road.
Time it right, you get the fireworks from that.
maybe the other end.
Flash needs to be on.
Maybe the other end. Maybe go from that side.
Yeah. Flash needs to be on. Flash is not.
Mum, do you think that's the echo? Do you think that's Neville? Do you listen?
That's the echo.
Sounds like different to this one though. If you listen to it though,
Yeah, but I don't think it'll be never.
sounds a lot quicker than this.
How long it took to light the fire?
checked on the
I didn't think we'd get through to the final.
Did you say they won?
They're winning.
Winning.
15-6.
Yeah, 66.
We'll beat you, June.
Ian, England are winning the rugby. Yeah.
Yes, but against South Africa.
I think he said 15-6.
That is a proper bonfire, boy. Asleep. Oh, Jesus.
Jordan, don't know what you're laughing at. You're carrying him back. Jordan. Did you just say you or Tash will have to stay behind? You don't know me. I'm not staying behind. I'll drag him along. Katie, as far as I'm concerned, that's not my genes, so I don't have to deal with it. Best one yet, I think, forward-wise. No. Oh.
Still better than last week.
It's the best one yet, I think.
And the latest one.
Yeah. Wow, that was good. That's the finale.
Logan's up now.
Like a baby.
Whoa, that was awesome.